Mommy can start taking those off and just put them on the feet. She's not, so.
Sticker, es que se te lo vamos.
Ouch.
Okay, Hailey. Now I'm going to take a blood pressure bar on her leg, okay? Can I see your leg? Let me see your leg. Okay? Let's see your leg. Good job. Let's see. Let's see this. Oh, they're gone, huh?
Oh, yeah. Oh, I just pulled them in the gas station.
Did they have in a car accident? Or?
I don't think so.
No.
I think it just stopped the car. Because the cop just...
Good little leads. Where are you?
Good job, Mama.
Yay. I try to do them as comfortable as they can, even if they're just, you know, sitting.
Yeah.
Because I know they get scared when they lie down.
Yeah.
But as long as they don't move, then I could get a good reading. If they move, it's not going to happen.
Mm-hmm.
You're doing good, Hailey, okay? You're doing a good job, sweetie. One more. Let's tickle your arm up here. Oh, good job. Oops. Do you want to lie down for me? Do you want to lie down?
Acuéstate. Acuéstate. Sí. It's okay, Mama. ¿Te cuesta? No.
Okay, you gotta keep still then.
Okay.
Can you lay like this and just stay still? Put your arms down.
No, Hailey, mira. Mira, Mama. Pon tu sticker aquí. No te muevas, ¿ok? No te vayas a mover. Pon tus manitas aquí. Ahí tus manitas así. Good job.
Okay, don't move. Don't move,
job.
Hailey. Just stay like
No,
you know,
no.
stay real still like this. It's
Así,
okay
así,
as
así.
long as they're just not moving. Hailey.
Hailey.
Where are your stickers? Where are your kitty stickers? Oh, okay. Can you put your arms like this? Look, but don't move. Just